Hello and welcome to the Growth Funnel Journey Introduction course. We're going to go through the 3 core steps to generating new sales leads for your business and converting them into profitable sales. Even though this is a 3-step system, you only need to master 1 step at a time, and this really makes it easier and totally achievable. In step 1, you will use your one thing product or service information to start attracting cold sales leads, converting them into warm sales leads, and by offering your one thing product or service to the fast action takers, you can start generating ideal clients straight away and get a much faster return on your investment. In step 2, you will transform your information into online courses, maybe your one-to-one coaching, or even premium services, and really amplify your revenue potential. And in step 3, you focus on conversation. By adding in new products or services, this increases the conversations you have with your warm prospects and your ideal clients, thus creating unlimited revenue potential. I really want to give you more information about automating your ideal client growth with the perfect converting sales funnel that leverages a one-to-many model that creates a relationship journey of transformation, where you coach your ideal clients and help them to become a better version of themselves. During this introduction course, I want you to learn what it takes to really generate consistent, predictable, and highly qualified sales leads that can easily be converted into profitable sales. So the plan is simple. You've already gone through the Growth Funnel Journey ebook guide when you first entered your email address, and now you've joined the Growth Funnel Journey Introduction course. This is where you'll take your next logical step to discovering what it's going to take to build your own sales funnel and start generating new sales leads that convert into your own ideal clients. The ebook gave you a quick overview of how to build a sales funnel that generates new sales leads, and now it's time to dig deeper and learn some of the practical theory. I'm going to make you aware of some of the challenges that cause sales funnels to fail and how the Growth Funnel Journey eliminates them. Then I will talk you through the flowchart that shows you how all the 3 steps and 28 conversion focal points work together to create the perfect journey. This flowchart outlines the logical steps your sales leads will need to take as they transform from a cold sales lead to a warm sales lead and ultimately converting into your ideal client and brand ambassadors. It also highlights each of the conversion focal points that we will be covering later on in this course, so you can gain a deeper understanding as to why each one of these is so critical to the overall success of your new online sales funnel. Action speaks louder than words, I know this, so I'm going to try and keep it simple. I want you to be able to walk away at the end of this free introduction course with the understanding and confidence and knowledge that the Growth Funnel Journey will work for your business. And one last thing before we begin, everything I'm about to show you is completely mapped out and I've already built it all for you. It's all on tested and proven sales funnel templates. I got membership templates, I got email campaign templates, I got VSL templates, I've created these special sales funnel process instruction manual videos, and of course I've got your funnel tracker wheels. So you can literally follow step by step and integrate it all into your own business and be up and running within an acceptable time frame. As I go through these videos and show you how it all works, it's really important to take your time and keep your own product or service in the forefront of your mind so you can work out how you'll copy and paste your own content into each of these steps. The hard work has been done for you. So your sales funnel has completely been mapped out and all of the scripting has been structured in such a way that it will convert cold sales leads into your ideal buying clients, which means you'll never have to stare at a blank screen again or wonder where or how to begin or even worry that you don't even have the technical skills required. All you need to do for now is just think about your own business, your own content, and how you're going to implement and build your own growth funnel journey. And please, always remember, if at any time you feel a bit overwhelmed or you have any questions, just jump into one of my live webinars or into the Facebook group and just ask me or email me directly. There are buttons under each video in the resource section called Ask Christian. Click it, ask me a question, and I'll get back to you personally as soon as I can. I've created this introduction training course to help you learn the foundations of the 3 steps and how they all integrate together to create your entire sales funnel. I encourage you to watch all of these videos in order, write down any questions, and just bring them to my live webinars. Or better yet, you can book a 10-minute discovery call with me and I can tell you whether or not it's going to work for your business. I've built so many of these growth funnel journeys for my clients and for myself that as soon as you tell me your business model and your product or service, I can tell you within minutes if it's going to work or not. If I think it's not going to work, I'll tell you why and guide you on the next best step. But if I do think it's going to work, then I can offer you some great advice to help speed things up and get real results. By signing up to the Growth Funnel Journey ebook guide, you entered into my own version of step 1 and its 12 conversion focal points. I targeted you as my ideal client with my one thing, product or service, the growth funnel journey, and I used my social media advertising to capture your interest. You then clicked through, landed on my opt-in page. It became your first impression of the growth funnel journey, and you made a decision to enter your email address to learn more. When you entered your email address, you became a cold sales lead, and I delivered my ebook guide to you so you could learn more about the growth funnel journey in your own time. You began to receive my emails, and we are now slowly getting to know one another. I invited you to join this free introduction course to learn more and see if your company can benefit from attracting new sales leads and converting them into ideal clients. As soon as you joined this introduction course, you became a warm sales lead, and now I have the opportunity to teach you something of great value. I've also invited you to join my private Facebook group so that you can become part of an exclusive community. And if this all resonates with you, I look forward to talking to you on my next live webinar training. Alternatively, if you want to take action right now, you can book a discovery call. If I can see the growth funnel journey working for your one thing, product or service, and at attracting ideal clients, then we can get on a strategy call. I will create a mock-up of your own growth funnel journey so you can see how it works within your own business, allowing you to start planning your product or service content journey. Then we can get your sales funnel created immediately, get you implementing and start attracting and converting your own sales leads, and more importantly, start making some money. I'm very grateful that you've made it this far, and in return, I will do my best to show you more detail on each of the 3 steps. I will be here for you all of the way, helping and guiding you. I've created separate videos for each of the 3 steps to keep it simple and easy to learn. It's critical to make sure that it's all achievable and it's not overwhelming, so you actually get this done. What's the point of learning all 3 steps if you end up not being able to even get past step 1? You're just wasting your time and you're wasting money. Instead, start with step 1. Prove to yourself that you can do this, start earning some money, get a quick return on your investment, start generating sales leads, and begin the journey of converting them into sales. Begin building a community of like-minded ideal clients, and once you have the proof that it's all working and it's all moving in the right direction, you'll have the confidence to move on to step 2 or step 3 and really launch your online business into limitless growth potential. I've included step 2 and step 3 in this free introduction course, not for you to think about doing them right now, but instead for you to just become aware of the whole journey, a journey that leverages a one-to-many marketing model, a journey of transformation that generates a consistent and predictable flow of new sales leads that convert into profitable sales right now, hopefully starting for you today. So if you have a business built around your personal brand, your expertise, or a special product or service that you believe in, something that you're very passionate about, something that you really know makes a difference to others, then you are going to learn a completely new strategy for selling and marketing your business through this leveraged one-to-many sales funnel model. Whether you're just starting out and a bit overwhelmed and frustrated with this whole sales funnel lead generation thing, or you've been in business for a while now and you've even tried to create your own sales funnels, but they just haven't appeared to build a steady stream of new sales leads that convert into ideal clients, then you're in the right place, and you're in the right place at the right time, listening to the right content. Either way, you're going to learn what it takes to make your own sales funnel that does generate new sales leads. Over the coming years, we're going to see a major shift globally with more and more businesses needing to generate sales leads online. Brands need to make digital marketing the center of a consistent brand experience or risk being left behind in the dust. Google, Facebook, and Amazon play a big part of this in our daily lives. As a business owner, you no longer have a choice. You need to be online and you need a sales funnel generating sales leads. So now is the perfect time to take advantage of all this new technology that you have at your fingertips and just simply master it and learn what it takes to build your own sales funnel. I believe that online sales funnels are a must-have, especially when it comes to sales lead generation. And if you want to reach beyond referrals as your only means of getting new sales leads, then take note of what I'm about to show you. The growth funnel journey is a system that's going to help you slowly shift away from an old time and energy model that was all about knocking on doors, cold calling, and move forwards to a new automated sales and marketing funnel that leverages a one-to-many framework model. And when I say leveraging a one-to-many framework model, I'm talking about getting your message in front of thousands of new sales leads every single month. It's easily achievable, it's affordable, and runs seamlessly in the background whilst creating a recurring income machine without having to deal with overcomplicated technology. We all know that a lot of businesses fail. And believe it or not, a lot of sales funnels fail as well. To be direct, the primary reason why I wanted to build the growth funnel journey is simply because the done-for-you marketing industry is largely a minefield of sketchy, often amateurish folks who charge way too much and lack the systems and strategies to produce consistent results. Look, there are no shortcuts when it comes to building and running a business. And the same goes for building and running a sales funnel. They're complex and they require a lot of different moving parts to all work in perfect synchronicity. Think of your sales funnel as a chain, and each part of the sales funnel that contains the most critical conversion points is a link. Your sales funnel is only going to be as strong as the weakest link. So you need to get this right. And you know what? Even if you do follow one of these done-for-you marketing folks, and believe me, a lot of my clients that I get have come from this sort of area and they've tried to build this simplified sales funnel, the chances are it produces no results. And that's because a sales funnel is only as good as its funnel structure, its content, its conversion points, and its tracking. So when I talk about this sales funnel, the growth funnel journey that I want you to learn, it's the perfect combination of funnel structure, specifically structured content, unique conversion focal points, laser-focused funnel trackers that are all perfectly and seamlessly integrated together into a carefully crafted sales funnel framework. It's a purpose-built system that uses a digital success map strategy that allows you to create, implement, optimize, and automate the most critical component of your business, generating new sales leads that convert into profitable sales. Bottom line, you need your sales funnel consistently generating new clients on autopilot as it runs in parallel with your existing business model. Otherwise, you're going to be distracted and you won't be able to run your business properly. I'm going to talk about the 3 steps that make up the core foundation of the growth funnel journey, how they help you to prioritize the right conversion focal points, implement the most effective logical strategic actions, build trust and authority with your online community, and build a profitable, powerful online business. Because the fact is, people buy from people. And when you can leverage a one-to-many framework while still keeping it personal, you can leverage the highest profits, the best ideal clients, and a business that brings you new opportunities and makes you money 24/7. I know this because I've had the privilege of teaching this from total beginners to more established business owners. I know how to quickly clone your knowledge and skills and integrate them into an online sales funnel that multiplies what you do best within a leveraged one-to-many framework. We all know that it's much easier and faster to build something with instruction manuals. And that's because everything is mapped out in an easy to understand process. And that's similar to the theory I've applied to the growth funnel journey. I want to give you the instruction manual that lists all of the processes in order so that it makes it easy for you to achieve real results. And what you're about to learn has been meticulously planned out and refined over many years. It's a system. It's like an instruction manual that outlines the whole process in 3 easy to follow steps. I don't take shortcuts, and I include all of the missing pieces that are required to make a sales funnel truly successful. The growth funnel journey is affordable. It won't take long to implement and requires minimal technical knowledge. It puts a long-term online business asset in place for your business that's a true selling machine, an automated asset that leverages a one-to-many framework. And when you have that level of accountability, you know you're going to take action. Sales lead generation and online sales are always going to be a challenge for any business. But having a growth funnel journey system that's only focus is to generate your business profitable and predictable sales, well, that just changes everything. So let's get started, and I'll see you in the next video.